Chapter 2 Cube and Cube Roots.
Hello everyone. Today I will just introduce you with our chapter 2, that is cube and cube roots. In previous chapter, that is chapter 1, I have left one topic, that is finding the square root by estimation method or estimating the square root of a number. That topic I will discuss afterwards. Okay, so let us first start or give a quick introduction of this chapter, cubes and cube roots. What is cube? A cube of a number is the product of the number multiplied by itself 3 times. So when you multiply a number 3 times, you get the cube of that number. For example, if I write 4 to the power of 3, we will get 4 multiplied with 4 multiplied with 4, that is 3 times 4 multiplied. A cube, A can be any number, any constant number. So A cube will be A multiplied with A multiplied with A. Now remember to read it as A cube. This one will be 4 cube. After this, we have perfect cubes. What are perfect cubes? Try to understand it by taking an example. When I write 2 cube, it means 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. 2 multiplied 3 times, you will get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Similarly, 3 cube will give you 27. 12 cube will give you 1728. So these 8, 27, 1728 are called perfect cubes. Similarly, you can take any numbers over here. I have taken 2, 3 and 12. You can take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are many numbers. All the cube of those numbers will be called the perfect cubes. Now let us understand this by an example. First question that I have taken over here, it is written find the cube of 0.6. That is, we need to find the cube of 0.6. So 0.6 whole cube. You can write it as 6 divided by 10, because after decimal there is one digit. So to remove the decimal point, I will add a 0 and 1 in the denominator, and this will be 6 by 10 whole cube. So 6 by 10 will multiply 3 times. So 6 by 10 multiplied with 6 by 10 multiplied with 6 by 10, and you will get 216. 6 into 6 into 6, 216 divided by 1000, which will give you, there are 3 zeros, so 3 places will remove the decimal, 1, 2, 3, the decimal will come over here, so you will get 0.216. You can solve it in this process also. 0.6 whole cube will be equal to 0.6 multiplied with 0.6 multiplied with 0.6. If you multiply all this, you will get the same result. So follow any process, you will end up with the same answer. Take another example over here. Is minus 2744 a perfect cube? You have to check whether this negative number is a perfect cube or not. So what you will do? Prime factorize the given number. On prime factorization, all of you know the method of prime factorization, so I don't have to explain you. The divisibility, how to check the divisibility with 7, I just explained in my previous video. If you have not watched it, watch it. It will be easy to divide a bigger number by 7. So on prime factorization of minus 2744 will be equal to, as you can see, I have put the minus sign outside. Okay, I will just write the prime factorization of this number over here. Minus sign, I have put it outside, given a bracket, and the prime factorization of 2744 inside a bracket. As you can see, 2 is forming a cube, triplet. 7 is also forming a cube. There are 3 7s and 3 2s, so I can write it as minus 2 cube multiplied with 7 cube. Prime factors of minus 2744 can be grouped into triplets. This is a very important term. When we make pairs of 3, we get a triplet. Okay, group of 3. So as both the terms in its prime factorization can be grouped in the power of 3, so So minus 2744 is a perfect cube. Understood? Now take another example over here. Find the smallest number by which 8788 must be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. So you have to find the smallest number by which 8788 be divided. So the first process step is same as the previous question, prime factorization of 8788. Over here I have done the prime factorization for you, 8788. Now if you can see, after the second step I am getting a number 2197. Now if this number is not divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, you have to go on checking until and unless you get a number which is by which it is divisible. So after trying so much, I got a number that is 13 which is dividing it. So 13 169 you will get 2197, and 169 is the square of 13, so 13 13 is 169. So you will get 8788 on prime factorization will be equals to 2 multiplied with 2 and 3 13s. As you can see, the 3 13s are forming a triplet, but not this 2 2s. There is 1 2 less over here. So on grouping the factors, we find that 2 into 2 is not forming a triplet. So we have to remove this. So what we'll do, we'll divide it by 2 into 2, that is 4. So we divide 8788 by 2 into 2, that is 4. If we divide it by 4, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and this side also if you divide it by 2, you will get 2179. As you can see from here, this 2 and 2 if I remove, I will get this 2197. So as it is said, find the smallest number which this must be divided. So you can write your answer as, therefore 8788 must be divided by 4, so that the quotient becomes a perfect cube. So you can divide it by 4, the number, and check that you will get, on dividing by 4, the quotient as 2197. Okay, I can see from here, because 2 into 2 if I remove, I will get this as my quotient. So you will get 2197, and 2197 will be equal to 13 into 13 into 13. So this becomes a perfect cube. Thank you.